Okay, Maya, we're at the park now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I'm so far.
Bring it back here, Maya. Come back here. You're too far now. Ah, the antenna again? It keeps falling off.
Running out of battery.
Yeah. What are you doing, Maya?
Then I asked like in the movie. It's like the same like in the movie.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, Maya, drive it. Hey. Silly girl, Maya. Bring it back here. Make a U-turn. There you go. Now go off-road. Bring it to me.
Oh my goodness, it's so hard because I have a stick.
Drop the stick, Maya. Drop it. Okay, bring it to us. Okay, go, Maya. Go on, go on.
Come on. I made a stick where I can put this
Okay, go, Maya. Uh-oh.
Oh, yes.
It gets stuck again.
This is the school. 1, 2, 3, up.
Okay. I'm ready, Maya. It crashed. Let's do it again. Woo! Nice one, Maya.
That's so awesome.
Yeah. Let's do it again, Maya.
So heavy.
Ready, Maya? Yeah. Good job, Maya.
Awesome.
Let's do it again for the third time.
Yep.
Ready? Nice one, Maya. Awesome. Whee! Nice. Now, Maya, can you drive it straight? Ah! Okay. Try it again, Maya. Don't fall, okay? Just drive it straight.
Oh my goodness. I don't want to see the kid.
Steer left. Uh-oh. Reverse, Maya. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Reverse, Maya. Okay, forward. It is stuck now. Okay. Okay, Maya.
1, 2, go.
Ah!
Oh my goodness. It's so hard.
It's okay, Maya.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Steer left. Left. Ah! It's okay. Careful, careful. Okay, Maya, the ATV is ready. It's waiting for you. Bring it uphill. Can it go uphill? Can it? There you go. Slide it down. Not there. Make a U-turn. To me, Maya. To me. Okay, cool. Whee! Can you drive it to the sand? Can it go to the sand? Let's try. To the sand. Okay, go, Maya.
Maybe just too much stuff here.
Can I try? Can I try, Maya? Can you push it? Ah.
Just push it.
Okay, push it. Push it.
I'll do it.
It's having a hard time.
I just push it.
How about reverse? Ah.
This is like popcorn.
Push it, Maya, please. No, forward.
Oh my goodness! Oh, stop it! Stop! Please.
Okay, put it back.
Okay, this is really hard.
Okay, out of the sand. Yeah.
Stop. Put some gas.
Put some gas. Okay.
I hope really.
Okay, let's go now, Maya.
Can I go on the swing?
Yeah, you can ride the swing now. Thank you, Maya. Maya girl.
I can almost go under there.
You know how to push yourself on the swing?
Yeah, but not here.
Hulyan doesn't know how?
Yeah.
He does.
But it's safe, but he just don't know.
Are you having fun on the swing, Maya?
He doesn't know how. He just put the race.
Maya, are you having fun on the swing?
Yep.
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 Okay.
I got so hard. I got so hard in the sky. I might fly like a bird. Daddy.
Maya.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, that hurt me.
Go, Maya. Reverse, Maya. Okay, let's go, Maya. What do you want to have? Pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need a toy.
What?
Toy and pizza.
A new toy? Again?
Yeah.
Okay. Park it, Maya. Park it. Okay, good enough. Hey, Maya girl. What are you playing? That's a construction truck. Oh, it's an RC. Nice. That's nice. And I see a quad, an ATV RC, and a pony. Where are the rocks? Okay, the rocks.
How do you go backwards?
There you go. You got it.
Okay, just make it like that. Oh my goodness. This is hard.
Oh my goodness.
Like that.
You need to practice, Maya. You have to know the controls. You don't know how to control it yet. Woo, it spins. And there are working lights.
Oh my goodness, this is so hard.
Let's see. There you go. You got it. Finally, huh? Nice.
Chewy's back in the
Okay, move it forward.
Stop putting it in the garbage.
Funny. Rockin' Rider Pony.
More because this looks like a girl.
Yeah, she's a girl. Oh, make her talk, Maya. Oh, she sings. Yeah, she's a girl.
And he sounds like a girl.
And her mouth opens. Nice.
No more that.
Oh, okay. Is that for Buchito Baby Marksland? Or for you?
For me now because
It's for both of you, Maya. For you and Marceline. What?
It's a girl.
The pony is a girl?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's for you?
You can see my dog.
Okay, let's check this out. Fast Lane RC Suzuki ATV with off-road tires.
Hey guys, closer to you.
Yeah. You're getting closer and closer to me.
I'm going in the hallway. Now I'm going in the box.
Okay, back to the ATV RC Suzuki. Yeah. A Japanese brand. A Japanese motorcycle company.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay. You're excused.
I guess this is so slow.
Well, hurry up. Faster, faster. Okay, it's a full function RC.
We go everywhere.
Off-road ready. Nice. Impact resistant bumper. Nice. Up to 120 feet in range. Cool. Okay. Suzuki ATV RC. What, Maya?
He says, I'm a single pony fan.
Okay. So she's your friend?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, let's unbox this.
And her pushing me.
Maya, can you help me? Woo!
I said,
Get that. The instructions. There you
the
go.
question says,
Okay, pull the box out, Maya.
where's the pony? Here, I'm doing it.
Yeah, good job,
I'm
Maya.
doing it.
Thank you.
I'm so strong.
Yeah, Maya is
I got
strong.
more better now.
Can you move the head?
Yes,
Yes.
you can. Because
Yes,
it's
you
a
can.
helmet.
Yeah, the guy's wearing a helmet. Good for him, for his safety.
And he don't get hurt.
Yeah, that's right.
Huggy, you can see my dog.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day for I love riding with you. We have so much fun together.
Cute.
He's like, yeah.
Okay, instructions. Okay.
This season,
I love so
it's like the harder one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the bigger one.
Yeah, he sings like the same.
Okay. What, Maya?
My head squall.
Okay, the ATV is unboxed. Nice. Suzuki ATV. Yeah, it goes fast.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's put batteries. Nice. Ooh, rubber tires. Yes, good for off-road. Off-roading.
There's the antenna thing.
Oh yeah, get that. That straw for the antenna, Maya. Please. It's inside the box.
Oh wait.
Okay, 2 AA batteries for the controller and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 batteries for the controller. For the ATV.
Horsey.
You're a horsey? Maya girl, the horsey. I thought you're a pony, not a horse.
I'm a pony.
Yeah. So who are you? Fluttershy? Applejack? Pinkie Pie?
I think Pinky.
Pinkie Pie, right?
Because he makes cupcakes.
Pinkie Pie makes cupcakes?
And he
Yummy!
makes parties.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
For everybody.
Alright, again folks, 5 AA batteries for the ATV.
It's like just sorry and even.
Okay. Alright, time to put batteries.
Even David's books.
What, Maya?
Like this, I'm making a stand.
That is so silly.
It's boring.
Okay, let me put the batteries now, Maya.
What's his eye?
His eyes?
Yeah.
There, in front of his head.
No, it's like
He's
that.
wearing a helmet though.
It's like that. Okay. How can
Dead looking? So silly.
How he can see?
There, he has his goggles on.
Oh, but he's going to crash.
Well, he will crash if you will crash him. You're the driver. You're the one who will be holding the remote.
Can I use it?
So don't crash him.
Can I use it?
Okay, Maya. See, it's working. Okay, I'm gonna put it down on the floor now.
Let's make a race. No.
Woo, it's fast.
Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that fast thing. Oh my goodness, he cannot start that fast. I'm making it slow.
We should go to the park, Maya.
Yeah,
It's better if we go to the park.
Go there in case.
Huh?
I need to go there in case.
Oh, here with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, there's not space because he's got space. Oh my goodness!
Ooh.
It almost crashed.
It's fast, eh?
Yeah, but we need to go in the park.
Drive it to the hallway, Maya.
I don't know where is it.
Go reverse. Woo! Oh! Woo!
There's so many horses stuck in my way. Oh my goodness! How am I helping?
Let's go to the park, Maya. Let's bring it off-road. Okay, ready? Woo!
Oh my goodness!
I'll bring it to you, Maya.
I'm too scared.
Okay. Okay, to the hallway. What, Maya?
I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah. Silly girl, Maya. Such a silly kid.
What's this?
What? Again?
Yeah.
Crazy.
I want to make it.
Hey, can I try it, Maya? Okay. You keep pushing it. Use the controller.
Oh my goodness, no!
Wait, I want to try it. Let it go.
No, don't
Let it go, Maya.
hit me.
Oh no, I'm not gonna hit you. Ah! I hit the box. Okay.
Oh my goodness!
Yay! Silly girl.
Try to hit it.
Okay.
Go.
Ah! I hit the bowling pins. Drift. Woo! Did you see that?
But that's very bad trick. You're so bad.
I think we should go to the park now, Maya. Okay, let's go to the park.
I'm swinging by surprise.